pets instead of buying them. The stray animals have been spotted in these two areas. Let's rescue them. Follow the signs and you'll find the stray animals. Oh no! The duck got stuck in the muddy puddle. Let's build a bridge with a ladder to get it out. Let's keep looking for the next animal. The parrot is right up there. Let's go up and save it. The parrot was injured. Let's bring it back for treatment. Little animals need treatment. Let's bring them back to our rescue center. Mew Mew, please help examine it. You can count on me. Which house will the animals live in? Let's choose for them. They look very uncomfortable. Let's give them treatment. One of the parrot's wings. Let's give it treatment. The parrot is still weak. We should apply some more drops. That's great! The parrot will be able to fly again. The examination is complete. It has regained its health. Let's feed it. Wonderful! It's ready for adoption. How lovely! Can I adopt it? Of course! Let's get familiar with it. Pet it and it'll be happy. It seems to be fond of you. Choose a delicate gift for it. Aim at this little animal and take a picture of it. Congratulations! You have become its owner. Please take good care of it. This pet has moved to a new house. Let's clean up its previous house. This house looks great! The next little animal will be happy to live in it. Let's see how we can help them. The duck's head was stuck in the can. Let's cut open the can. The duck is also covered in the trash. The duck looks dirty. Let's take it for a bath. Oh no! Its webbed foot was also wounded. Let's apply some ointment on it. Great! The duck is clean and healthy now. The examination is complete. It's totally healthy now. Let's feed it. Wow, it's ready to be adopted. So cute. Can I adopt it? Of course. Let's get familiar with it. Pet it and it'll be happy. It seems to be fond of you. Choose a delicate gift for it. Aim at this little animal and take a picture of it. Great! You're its owner now. Please take good care of it. This pet has moved to a new house. Let's clean up its previous house. This house looks great! The next little animal will be happy to live in it. Let's search and rescue stray animals.